First, let's make sure we have everything we need to prepare the surface. We need a floor grid pad, the same grid as the last diamond we used on the floor. In this example, we're using an 800 grit pad. Place the pad on the bottom of the diamatic micropolisher with the numbered side towards the machine. The diamatic micropolisher is equipped with weights that are located on the head. Be sure the weights are secure. After thoroughly cleaning, we run the diamatic micropolisher over the surface to further clean and remove any haze left from the cleaning process. This will ensure that the surface is ready to accept the diamatic floor finish. Before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need for the application, including the diamatic floor finish, a good quality pump sprayer, a clean microfiber pad and applicator. To begin the application, we pre-wet the microfiber pad. This will help reduce streaking during the application and make the pad glide smoothly over the surface. Spray a light coat of the material on the surface and follow with the microfiber applicator to prevent any puddles or heavy build on the surface. Your coverage rate should be between 2,500 and 3,000 square feet per gallon. The floor finish material must be applied extremely thin, as we are trying to fill the near surface voids without building a material film on the surface. Continue with the application until the entire surface has been treated. Once the floor finish application has been completed, we allow the material to dry completely. Typically 15 to 20 minutes is enough time. The next step is to run the micropolisher over the surface. For this, we use the same 800 grit pad as we did before the application. This is a critical step, and we must reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface to properly cross-link and cure the material. Continue running the micropolisher until the entire surface has been burnished. The second coat is applied in the same manner as the first coat, but at a 90-degree angle from the first application. The coverage rate is still 2,500 to 3,000 square feet per gallon. Treat the entire surface as before. Again, we allow the surface to dry completely and run the diamatic micropolisher over the surface to cross-link the material. After the application of the floor finish, the surface must be kept dry for 72 hours to allow the material to fully cure.